Welcome everybody to Omnisend's Marketing Tips Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways you can improve your email and SMS program and help you increase your sales. Now, yesterday, I talked about a few types of promotional SMS brands can send. Today, I want to discuss using SMS inside of your automated workflows. Yes, you remember those automated workflows. First off, does it really make sense to use SMS in already high converting automations? You know what I'm going to say? Absolutely. Remember, it's an opt-in channel. If they're eligible to receive text messages, it's because they explicitly said they wanted to. Who are you to deprive them of what they want? Now, I mentioned how e-commerce brands increased automated SMS sends nearly 260% last year. You should absolutely follow their lead. Now, that doesn't mean you should send an automated text message every time you send an automated email. Think about the user experience here. For a welcome series, it might seem logical to send an SMS right after sign up and maybe again before the welcome offer expires. For cart abandoners, there are lots of options based on the cart total and purchase history like I talked about last week. Think through other series of messages like browse abandonment, maybe just one SMS to remind them of what they had their eye on. For a birthday series, maybe just an SMS on their actual B-day, wishing them good times on their big day. Lapsed and unengaged buyers, maybe it makes even more sense as they may have stopped tuning into your emails. I encourage you to think through the customer experience along with the perceived intent at that moment. If SMS can help, send one. If it doesn't add value, don't. After all, like all marketing channels, the purpose is to provide value to the recipient, not just send another message. Finally, don't forget your transactional messages like order and shipping confirmations. Adding a text message informing the customer their order status can really go a long way to enhancing the purchase experience, especially if they're a first-time customer. There you have it. Use SMS marketing in your automated messages, but don't feel you need to match one SMS for every one email. Think through the customer experience and add value where you can. Now, join me tomorrow, and I'll be discussing the difference between SMS and MMS and explain when it does and does not make sense to use MMS. Thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove to you how we can help you double your conversions. Till next time, happy marketing.